Lesson 8. Question. Answer. What's this?
It's a question.
What's this?
It's an answer.
Is this an answer?
No, it isn't an answer. It's a question.
Meaning. What's the meaning of the word use in your language?
The meaning of the word use in my language is...
What's the meaning of the word table in your language?
The meaning of the word table in my language is...
What's the meaning of the word for in your language?
The meaning of the word for in my language is...
What's the meaning of the word chair in your language?
The meaning of the word chair in my language is...
What's the meaning of the word action in your language?
The meaning of the word action in my language is...
Name. What's my name?
Your name's Lesejo.
What's your name?
My name's Suhail.
What's his name?
His name's Mr. Brown.
What's her name?
Her name's Mrs. Brown.
Head. Face. Chin. Mouth. Nose. Eye. Ear. Hair. Tongue. What's this?
It's the head, etc.
Remaining. What am I doing?
You're going to the window.
What am I doing?
You're coming from the window.
Are you going to the window?
No, I'm not going to the window. I'm remaining on the chair.
Am I remaining on the chair?
No, you aren't remaining on the chair. You're going to the window.
Country. Spain. What's the name of your country?
Spain is the name of my country.
What's the name of the country between England and Spain?
France is the name of the country between England and Spain.
Translate. Into. Verbs are words we use for actions. What am I doing?
You're translating a sentence from English into...
Translate this sentence, please. I am a student. What's he doing?
He's translating a sentence from English into...
Translate this sentence, please. The wall's high. What's he doing?
He's translating a sentence from English into...
Translate this sentence, please. There are 10 chairs in this room. What's she doing?
She's translating a sentence from English into...
Who? Who am I?
You're Mrs. Smith.
Who are you?
I'm Mr. Rossi.
Who's he?
He's Jack Brown.
Who's she?
She's Anna Brown.
Who are they?
They're Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
Thing. How many things are there on this book?
There are 3 things on that book.
What's the name of this thing?
The name of that thing is a tie.
What color's this thing?
This thing's red.
Tall. Short. Scandinavia. Is Mr. Brown short?
No, Mr. Brown isn't short. He's tall.
Is Anna Brown tall?
No, Anna Brown isn't tall. She's short.
Are the people of Scandinavia short?
No, the people of Scandinavia aren't short. They're tall.
Difference. Whereas. That. What's the difference between tall and short and high and low?
The difference between tall and short and high and low is that we use tall and short for people, whereas we use high and low for things.